My name is Aaron William Wesley Evalu. I am 18 years old. I am from the villages of Waileli, Fongalii, and Jomtang. Uh, the first ever sport I played was golf, and I got into the sport because of my parents. We grew up in Washington, and there was this program called First Tee, and I started playing from there in Washington. We moved back when I was like 7 years old, and I started ever since. Practiced every day. I have come across a lot of coaches that have helped me shape my game and shape the person who I am today. For me, this is the first Open I've ever played. It was really big for me because whenever I go to rep Samoan, I feel like I'm not worthy of the spot. And winning this tournament has allowed me to be more confident in repping for Samoan. Just trusting whatever I do. It was it was very scary, but I always told myself that I can do anything if I put my heart into it. So coming from the 16th hole, walking into 17, it was nerve-wracking because you never know what happens on the course. I was trying to look for birdie on 17 just to secure the win, and I made the chip. It was like an 80-meter chip, and I made it for eagle, and that was like the highlight for the game. Ever since I started watching golf and playing golf, Tiger Woods has always motivated me to be the best that I can be. I think the next step would be the Asian Amateurs, and I think it'll be held in Dubai this year.
Representing Sam.
Yes, Sam. I would like to acknowledge all the coaches that have helped me throughout my journey. I would like to thank the sponsors, SGI, Fiji PGA, and all the sponsors who were able to make the tournament possible. I would like to thank my parents for all the sacrifices and the hard work, my brother for his support, and all my family members and friends for supporting.